Baking a birthday cake at home can feel a little intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be complicated. With a few simple ingredients and easy steps, even beginners can create a delicious and beautiful cake to celebrate a special day. The key is to start with basic recipes, follow clear instructions, and enjoy the process without worrying about perfection. One of the easiest cakes to begin with is a classic vanilla sponge cake. This recipe usually requires simple ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, and baking powder. The process is straightforward. Cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, then mix in the dry ingredients and milk. Once the batter is smooth, pour it into a greased cake pan and bake until golden. This type of cake is soft, light, and perfect as a base for many variations. If you prefer something richer, a simple chocolate cake is another great option. Using cocoa powder or melted chocolate, you can create a moist and flavorful cake that's always a crowd favorite. Many beginner recipes use a one-bowl method where you mix all the ingredients together, saving time and reducing cleanup. Chocolate cakes are also very forgiving, which makes them ideal for those who are just starting out. For frosting, beginners can start with an easy buttercream by mixing butter, powdered sugar, a little milk, and vanilla extract. You can create a smooth and creamy topping. Spread it over the cooled cake using a spatula. And don't worry if it's not perfectly even, simple designs can still look charming and homemade. You can also add food coloring to make the cake more fun and festive. Decorating a birthday cake can be as simple or creative as you like. Fresh fruits, sprinkles, chocolate chips, or even cookies can be used to decorate the top. Writing happy birthday with icing might take a little practice, but even a simple design can make the cake feel special. Remember, it's the effort and love that matter most. Another beginner-friendly idea is a no-bake cake, such as a biscuit cake or a chilled cheesecake. These recipes don't require an oven and are perfect for those who want a quick and easy option. By layering ingredients and letting the cake set in the fridge, you can still achieve a delicious and impressive result. As you gain confidence, you can start experimenting with different flavors, fillings, and decorations. Baking is a skill that improves with practice, so don't be discouraged by small mistakes. Each cake you make will help you learn something new. In conclusion, easy birthday cake recipes are perfect for beginners who want to create something meaningful and tasty. With simple ingredients, basic techniques, and a little creativity, anyone can bake a cake that brings joy to family and friends. The most important ingredient is always the love you put into it, making every homemade cake truly special.